Pennod olaf o Rayman film comic. Guys! Showtime. I sense something. Get me out! What is this all about? Open your mouth. Mr. Dark? Well, what brings you back here? Funny you should say. I was tagged along with a limbless person. The hero of the nymphs is in my castle. I should have known. Very well. If he's gonna stop me, then you and the others should have a front row seat. Did Mr. Dark plan this? Well, I'm glad you came in one piece. Haha, who am I kidding? Rayman! Let's make this more challenging. Light the flames, light the victim, burn him to death, feed him to the children. He came along the road, he came over here. Cook him well for our delight. How would the boss defeat such a funny little thing? I spent all this time trying to find the Great Platoon. Let's see what this can do to your testosterone. No, he's weakened his testosterone. Feeling weak, kid? I feel weak. Get up. What are you trying to do, punch me? Stop them, people. Attack! You heard it! Get up. Yes. Huh? Are you giving up already? I don't like seeing people in comas. So, I will have to end you. Rayman!
Remember, only kill someone if they're trying to kill you or someone you like. It's called a life or death situation.
Murphy's right. You're alive? They've turned to stone.
Their boss is dead.
What happened? Mr. Dark weakened his ability to fight. Is that what happened? Exactly. And Rayman. Not only have you gone on an adventure, but you've saved the nymphs. And you have made friends. If you never made friends with these people, you'd be dead by now. I'm so proud of you. The nymphs and the critters are cheering too. You may kiss. Yay! This is what adventure's all about. Finding friends. Finding a hobby you enjoy. Telling your stories to people. Wow! And paying respects to the people who taught you into this. Live or let die. Rayman, help me! Yeah! Hwna hw conig ffilm Rayman. Dyma y broliant a Saesneg a Cymraeg bwrw. Gallwch chi weld y rhai rydw i wedi dewis a gyfer pob un. Y cyfer wrthwr a cyfer sorthor. Bynogus dalar dewisiadau caneuol. Felly cymeroedd peth amser i mi i wneud y llyfr hwn. A gobeithio uwch bod chi gyd wedi mwynhau'n. Hwyl fawr pawb.